how to play Fortnite on a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Fortnite on any Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you open up the Play Store and you search Fortnite, you'll notice nothing comes up, and that's because you cannot install Fortnite through the Google Play Store. This includes the Samsung Store as well. So in order to download and install Fortnite on our Samsung phone, we need to open up a browser and navigate to Fortnite.com. That's the official website for Fortnite. Check the description, I'll have a link down there. Once you get here, simply select Install, and then just select Download Now. If you see this pop up, select Allow, and then go ahead and select Download to download the installer file for the Epic Games Store on our Samsung phone. Once it installs, you can either open it up or you can simply open up the Files app on your Samsung phone, which is My Files, and then under Downloads, we'll find the Epic Games Store. So go ahead and open that up. Now, the first time you open it, you'll see this pop up, and we need to allow our Samsung phone to install apps from unknown sources. Now, normally this would be something you don't want to do, but because we downloaded this from the official Fortnite store, we know this is a safe app. So go ahead and select Settings and then select Allow Permission. If you don't see this pop up, go back and try to open up the Epic Games Store again and just select Install. So now the Epic Games Store is installed on our Samsung phone. We just need to select Get Started, and you'll need to sign into your Epic Games account. This is the account you use to play Fortnite. If you don't have one, just select Create an Account. Once you sign in, you'll see the Epic Games account. You just want to make sure it's the right one. So when you play Fortnite on your Samsung phone, you're earning stats and you also get all your characters and stuff like that. So go ahead and select yes if it's the correct one. And then the Epic Games Store app will open up on your Samsung phone. So once here, all we need to do is search Fortnite in the top. Go ahead and select Fortnite. Just select the blue download button right there, and it'll start downloading the Fortnite installer on our Samsung phone. Keep in mind that Fortnite is probably around 12 gigabytes, so you want to make sure you have the extra room available on your Samsung phone. Once it's done downloading, you'll get the same notification we got from Fortnite.com, where the Epic Games Store is trying to install an app, but the phone's blocking it. So because we know this is a safe app, go ahead and allow it by selecting Settings and then Allow Permission. And once you do that, just select Install for Fortnite. So now we are installing Fortnite on our Samsung phone. Once it's done, go ahead and open up the app. And the first time you open it, it's going to start downloading the full game. And like I said, that is 13 gigabytes. So just give it some time to download. Depending on your speed, this could take up to an hour. Once it's done downloading the full Fortnite game, select Login with Epic Games. And then you'll just need to go through the process of signing into your Epic Games account again. Once you sign in, it'll bring you back to the Fortnite app on your Samsung phone, and you just need to agree to the licensing agreement, and then it will begin logging you into your Fortnite account. Now that you've installed Fortnite, you can start playing it on your Samsung phone. Check the description because I'll have several tutorials going over how to connect an Xbox controller, PlayStation controller to your Samsung phone so that you can play Fortnite using the controller. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.